Hey everyone, welcome back to MDA Wellness Vibes. If you're new here, I'm Marianne, and today we're diving into one of my favorite topics, smoothies. They're quick, they're versatile, and they can be a game changer for your health, if you make them the right way. Today I'll share simple, science-backed tips to elevate your smoothies. Stick around to the end, because I'll also share my go-to recipe that combines all these hacks in one delicious glass. Let's get started. Tip number 1, upgrade your base. Most people start with juice or milk as their smoothie base. But here's a pro tip, upgrade your base for better nutrition. Instead of sugary juice, try unsweetened almond milk, oat milk, or even coconut water for a light, refreshing taste. For extra creaminess and protein, go with Greek yogurt or kefir. They not only give you probiotics for gut health, but also help keep you full longer. If you're searching for healthy smoothie bases or low-calorie smoothie ideas, this is the first step. By swapping out juice, you'll cut down on sugar while still keeping your smoothie delicious. Trust me, it still tastes great. Next, balance your macros, protein, fat, and fiber. Smoothies often get a bad rap for being sugar bombs. Lots of fruit, but not much else. The secret is to balance your macros. Protein can come from protein powder, nut butter, or seeds like chia and hemp. Healthy fats? Think avocado, flax seeds, or a spoon of almond butter. Fiber boosters include spinach, oats, or even cauliflower rice. You won't taste it, I promise. This combo keeps your blood sugar stable and prevents mid-morning crashes, and it actually makes your smoothie feel like a meal. Quick example. Instead of just a banana and berries, blend in Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a handful of spinach. You've now got a smoothie that's creamy, filling, and balanced. One of the easiest hacks is using frozen fruit for texture. One of the easiest hacks to elevate your smoothie is frozen fruit. Not only does it replace ice, but it gives you that thick, creamy texture everyone loves. Frozen berries, mango, or pineapple add natural sweetness and tons of antioxidants. Plus, frozen fruit is often cheaper and just as nutritious as fresh. Pro tip, freeze ripe bananas in chunks and keep them on hand. They act like nature's ice cream when blended, sweet, creamy, and totally healthy. This is the ultimate trick for texture. If you really want to level up, add in some superfoods. Chia seeds, packed with omega-3s and fiber. Spirulina or matcha powder boosts energy and antioxidants. Flax seeds, great for heart health. Cacao nibs, adds crunch and a chocolatey flavor without the sugar. The key is to start small, half a teaspoon at a time, so the flavors don't overpower your smoothie. You can create detox smoothies, post-workout smoothies, or even dessert-style smoothies that are still healthy. Here's a fun way to make your smoothies Instagram-worthy. Pour your smoothie in layers. Say, a green spinach layer, then a purple berry layer. Not only does it look amazing, but it also makes every sip interesting. For toppings, try granola, coconut flakes, fresh fruit, or even a drizzle of nut butter. This adds texture and makes your smoothie feel like a full bowl. Adding these extra touches turns your smoothie into a meal you'll actually look forward to. One of the biggest reasons people skip smoothies is time. The fix? Prep ahead. One of the biggest reasons people skip smoothies is time. You can pre-portion smoothie packs by adding fruit, greens, and seeds into freezer bags or jars. Step 1. Portion the fruit and greens into freezer bags or jars. Add seeds, protein powder if you like, and label them. Freeze, and they're ready to blend in the morning. In the morning, just dump it into the blender, add your base, and you're done in under 2 minutes. You can also batch blend a large smoothie and keep it in the fridge for up to 24 hours. Just give it a shake before drinking. This hack saves time, money, and makes healthy eating realistic, even on busy mornings. It's also a great way to stick with your healthy smoothie routine without the daily hassle. Okay, let's pull all of this together into one recipe. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 frozen banana plus 1/2 cup frozen berries, 1 scoop vanilla protein powder, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, a handful of spinach, 1 teaspoon cacao nibs. Blend until smooth. Top with granola and coconut flakes. You now have a smoothie that's creamy, filling, nutrient-dense, and absolutely delicious. And that's it. 6 simple tips to elevate your smoothies, plus a recipe you can try today. If you found this helpful, hit that thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite smoothie add-in. I'd love to hear your ideas. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep blending.